Here we are in the bungalow attic, and I know you can't really see. I don't have good lighting. All I have is a flashlight. So I'll try to explain it and show you, but basically you can see they used a 1.5, not even a full 2 inch. I'm quite sure if I measured, it's not full 2 inch. And, well, yeah, it's today's 2 inch, which is a bunch of crap because it's really not 2 inch. So on this long span here, you can see the roof is bowing. Not just an inch or two. It's like 3 inches or 4 inches. You can see how crooked this one is. Well, maybe you can't see, but it's crooked. It bows. That might have been put in like that because, well, maybe not. Maybe this caused that. Yeah, that could be. These three look okay here. Here we got some bowing going on. Over here, I don't know if you can see that. Not too bad. The other brain thing they did here was instead of going 16-inch on center, they didn't want to cut as many. They went like 2 feet on center. The only saving grace is they did use nice wide, probably 1-inch boards for the roofing. So it's real lumber, so that's good. Here's where they ran into problems because you got this board here. I don't know if you can see that. And then you got one right next to it giving you this offset slope on the roof, for lack of a better term. Over here, I can't really tell too much how much it's bowing. It does not appear to be bowing that much, but it's got to be bowing some because of this. Because that's gonna cause all these, the next 3 or 4 here, to be low. So we definitely got an issue there. The other thing is we don't have much insulation in here, so we'll take care of that too. So I guess what I'm debating is instead of these 1.5s, I think what I'm going to do is start putting on a whole 1x6, or put them right on there, sister them on, at least one side. I don't know if I'm going to do 2 sides. And in doing so, I'm going to have to nail it in such a way that I'm trying to take that bow out. Now, the one problem is this isn't the greatest time of year to do it because we have snow on the roof. But I don't want to be doing this in midsummer either. So I'm going to start now. You can see the chimney here. Should be able to see that. So I guess what I'm going to do is lay out some floorboards. I picked up some those hemlock we talked about earlier. I'm going to lay them out over there. I'm going to get my angle at the bottom, and I'm going to try sistering one on. I might do both sides. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe every other one I do both sides. I'm not sure. I'm kind of debating it right now. But we got to start. We got to do something. This is not strong enough to withstand any slate roof, that's for sure. So maybe slate's not going to work here. But either way, this roof needs to be stronger. It was not put in my specifications of strength. So it's time to do it now. Okay, we're going to get started.